Cool. Thanks for joining us today. My name is Brett, Managing Director at the Development Factory.
And I'm Suzanne Abate, co-founder.
What are we talking about today?
I don't know, you called the meeting.
Well, I was looking in my inbox and I saw something about a roadmap, and I didn't really know what that was.
Yeah. Product road mapping, topic near and dear to my heart. Product roadmap is the way that any organization can visually communicate where the product is going for the purpose of aligning key stakeholders, budgetary requirements, and keeping customers informed, most importantly.
When should a company start thinking about a roadmap?
Ideally before it starts, and then ongoing. So I like to think of road mapping a little bit like laundry. It's never actually finished. But the frequency in which you return to your roadmap will be different. So a large-scale enterprise organization might be planning initiatives out 12, 18 months in advance. Sometimes in automotive or sort of bigger industries where there's a lot of moving parts, you could be 3 or 4 or 5 years out in advance. Startups typically don't roadmap beyond 6 weeks because you're still learning a lot and everything is subject to change. Of course, that's not even specific to startups. The good folks at Basecamp, 37 Signals, they've got a product that's been in market 18 years and they still don't roadmap beyond 6 weeks at a time, just to kind of help keep them open to change.
In your opinion, who are the best stakeholders inside or even outside of an organization that should be involved in road mapping?
Yeah. It's going to change depending on the structure of the organization for sure. If you're the only product manager, it's probably going to be a responsibility that sits with you. If it's a smaller organization, that kind of direction setting should be coming from the leadership team, the CEO or the chief technology officer working in collaboration. At scale, it might be different product teams or different departments coming together. I think less important than who owns the roadmap is who's providing inputs. So road mapping is about collecting inputs, and those inputs are going to be coming from the management team, the leadership team, coming from the market, right? So what are your customers saying? What are the trends that are happening out in the world? And how do you collect that information and use it to inform the next steps that you take?
Great, wonderful information. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.